Hey, we would like to send you a free gift. If you click on the link in our description and sign up for our mailing list, we'd be happy to send you one. Now here's the video. Hello, I'm Derek with Adobe Rock in Erta, Utah. In our last video, Emily and I talked about the different types of soil amendments you can use to make your existing soil more fertile. Today, we're in our kitchen to show you how to use these amendments to make our premium topsoil and supreme garden box mix. In order to turn our standard topsoil into premium topsoil, we're going to add a few extra ingredients, including our Adobe mulch, which is made of natural ground wood products, our black gold compost, which is a screened poultry manure that we've let age 5 to 7 years, and some lava fines. The lava fines have paramagnetism, which mix the nutrients, make the soil more fertile, and make those nutrients more available to the plants. As you can see, the premium topsoil really does a great job at helping you grow flowers. Many people are using garden boxes and raised beds to grow fruits and vegetables in their backyard. There's a dozen or more soil recipes out there for raised garden boxes, and we think they're all great. If you have your own family favorite recipe and want to make your own mix at home, we're happy to sell you the ingredients you need. For those that want something already mixed, we have our own recipe we call Supreme Garden Box Mix. It has a few more ingredients than our premium topsoil, but it starts with the same standard topsoil. We use standard topsoil in our Supreme Garden Box Mix to give it structure. As you can see, here in our county, we get quite a bit of wind from time to time, and without some structure to the soil, we may lose the entire mix in a strong wind. We add coconut coir, which is a great organic to use in a mix like this. It doesn't break down as quickly as peat moss, so it's our preferred choice in this soil. We next add in our Adobe mulch. You can't have too many organics. And we include some of our black gold compost. We add in some lava fines to help organize the soil with its paramagnetism. And we also add some perlite. Perlite is a volcanic mineral that is the arch enemy of compaction, and we use it to keep the soil mix light and well aerated. Emily has made a great mix here, and you can see that just about anything you want to grow in your backyard will do well in our Supreme Garden Box Mix. Thank you for watching and learning with us today. You can also check out our channel for other videos, and until next time, let us know if we can help rock your world.